Last 2.5 years, I am completely fighting for the freedom of speech. After DMK ruling, I have arrested for 3 times. First time June 11. That time I have been arrested for 57 days in Trichy jail. Then after that, October 11, to the same year 2021, I have arrested in Takkalai, Kanyakumari. That time I have been jailed for 53 days. Again, I have arrested December 19th, same year, 2021. I have been for Gundas to almost 220 days. So 1 year they have jailed me. So after that only they have cancelled the bail. I'm completely fighting. I'm very simple person. I'm from very normal family, very middle class family. I'm against the government.
Right. So many would say that your views against DMK may not be aligned with the people of the state, with most people of the state who have voted for the DMK both in 2021 and 2019. How do you see your own content, and you belong to Naam Tamilar Katchi? What are your primary complaints against the DMK government that you have been showing in your YouTube channel?
No, actually, I'm completely against DMK. Actually, my gene also against the DMK. We are opposed DMK, DMK and Congress also. They are the main reason for the Tamil genocide. After 2019 only, we emerged as a political organization, NTK, Naam Tamilar Party. So I am the member of the party. I am the state propaganda secretary. DMK, they are dealing. We are for Tamil. We are for Tamil culture. We are for Tamil tradition. But they never. They have not done anything for Tamil nation, Tamil culture, Tamil language. The Dravidian model is only for Gopalapuram model. They are only for the family